We're here with Jim Cramer on the floor of the New York Stock Exchange answering your Twitter questions. Jim, our first question is on Disney. JR asks, where does the sell-off of Disney end?
Okay, this is a real tough question because this whole second leg of the decline in the market began when Disney so-called missed the quarter because they had some sub-losses. I think that you can buy Disney now, but that the ultimate level to buy it would be 100, meaning buy half of it now and go to 100. Why do I say that? Because you're going to have a long time before now in Star Wars, and there's nothing going to happen. And if they give you a Fed rate hike in September, this stock's going to hit 100 pretty quickly.
Our next question is, did Celgene get a steal when it acquired Receptos?
I think that Celgene needed another leg. People have been thinking that maybe their anti-blood cancer strategy, which they've been so dependent on, isn't good enough. Now they have Crohn's disease, they have potentially MS. It was a brilliant move.
Jim asks, if the IMF makes yuan reserve currency, what happens to the US dollar?
Look, the U.S. dollar is the reserve currency forever, and yuan is the only one that people are worried about going higher. Forget about every other currency other than the dollar. As the Fed raises rates, the dollar's going to go through the roof.
Teresa asks, is it time to dump Whole Foods at a loss? It looks like organics are more mainstream now.
Okay, Whole Foods I think could actually have negative comps. Therefore, the stock could conceivably go to 20, maybe 25. Here's the problem with Whole Foods though. You'd be selling it at an historic low price earnings multiple. I know the multiple at 19 deserves to be low because they're missing the quarter, but at a certain point they're going to be activists. So I say 5 down and 10 up Whole Foods.
Thanks, Jim. If you've got questions for Jim Cramer, tweet them at Jim Cramer, #CramerQ on the floor of the New York Stock Exchange. I'm Ruben Ramirez. Have a great day.